So guys, I just painted now all the other stuff. The yellow salt, all the silver parts, like there, and the salt. Then some green stuff there. Green lens, the light, the lighters there, the lamps I painted black, and of course this part of the arm, because it's well, like there, the water is also black and the down part silver, and then we will highlight it now. First of all, wash all the silver parts with black wash, and then of course the green parts, and well, not the yellow part, that's important. And then we will paint now, well, first of all we will wash it, and then we will paint the golden parts too. So first of all, just give it a heavy wash, and then it is done. So, like this. And now, just start highlighting the golden parts with shining gold. Just normal highlight. And there, the other side. Like this. And the front side too. So, and now, when we are ready with all the golden parts, we will start painting the the chainsaw there. Just paint now some different parts with black. So we want this, and we will paint this. So just I will not mask this because it's not necessary so far. So just like that, and then a second one there. like this. And of course this side. And don't forget the other side. So, and now, just highlight all the black parts with Codex Gray. So this was this with Codex Gray, this and this black parts, and the yellow with a brighter yellow, like, let me see there. Where's my yellow? Sunburst yellow, just like that. And then, well, the green parts with a new layer of Wobston Glow. And, well, the other side. Like this, and highlight it with mood green, a thin highlight. Just that it looks a bit like there's something in the spots. Just a simple highlight, as normally. So when you're done this, don't forget your lens, and, well, maybe we highlight it a bit now with a final highlight with white and mood green. So to show some reflection of the glass. And the other side too. Like this. Down there you see that, and there. Okay, and now, just highlight the gold parts with mitre silver, for example, and all the other parts. Well, all the silver parts, also as normally, so all the other sides, and the golden parts. Like this. And well, I forgot this. So sunburst yellow. There we go. I think as final highlight, don't forget the Codex Gray we want to paint on this. Some small stripes. So some small highlights on the edge. And of course here some highlights. And of course on the front side, on the weapon, just like that. So now I think we are ready to paint, well, with pigments. And this well, just painted normally with Screaming Skull, highlighted with Carrot White, and used for the signal a purple to paint this, and it's just ready. So I'm like a small cut there, and you see it in the next